Friends, today we will know how to take homeopathic medicine and what precautions should be taken. Homeopathic treatment is cheap and without any side effect. If people want to get their treatment done with homeopathic medicine, in such situation it is very important to know these things: how to take homeopathic medicine and what precautions should be taken. Friends, homeopathic medicine should be kept at the appropriate temperature, and after taking the medicine the lid should be closed properly. Most people leave the lid of the bottle open after taking the medicine. This should never be done. Some people taking homeopathic medicine by holding it on their hands. There is a very wrong method. You should never take medicine by holding it on your hands, because germs from your hands get on the medicine. Whenever you use medicine, you can take the medicine by holding it on a spoon. After taking the homeopathic medicine, the lid is left open. Homeopathic medicine should never be taken in salt form by placing it on the palm of your hand. Rather, we should be taken a spoon, otherwise the effect present in it is lost. Because when you put pills that contain medicine on your hands, the effect goes to your hands, and then you can also get germs on them. So whenever you take medicine, keep it inside a spoon. Keep the bottle cup tightly closed, especially from homeopathic medicine. You should not eat anything 20 minutes before and 20 minutes after taking homeopathic medicine. These are precautions. The method of taking medicine is how to the medicine is taken. That is, you should not eat anything 20 minutes before taking the medicine, and do not eat anything 20 minutes after. Then do not take any intoxicants before taking homeopathic medicine. By doing this, the effect of the medicine are eliminated. For example, some people take medicine after smoking a cigarette. Also, you should never use homeopathic after taking medicine, otherwise you will not get any benefits from taking the medicine. Some people take the medicine after eating onions. If you use homeopathic medicine after eating onions, then you will not get any benefits. Therefore, never use onions before taking homeopathic medicine. Do not take sour or spicy foods before taking homeopathic medicine, otherwise the effect of the medicine will be lost. Do not keep homeopathic medicine in the sun, doing so will lose its effects. Do not mix homeopathic medicine with any other medicines. Eating such foods will lose its effects. Tea and coffee should be avoided while taking homeopathic medicine, because they contain caffeine, which nullifies the effect of homeopathic medicine. Some people take the medicine with tea. Never take medicine with tea. I hope you like this guide of mine. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more such videos.